pond on a sunny day. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. Four little ducks splashed all around, diving deep and floating down. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. Ducks waddled to shore, flapping wings and playing more. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. Two little ducks swam side by side, racing fast with joy and pride. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. One little duck, feeling so free, floated alone on the big blue sea. Mama duck called quack, 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 and all 5 ducks came swimming back.
Like the love, share the joy, subscribe for more.